फर्स्ट वन इज बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट्स, ठीक है, पाइवोटल जॉइंट्स एंड हिंज जॉइंट्स, ठीक है, एंड फिक्स जॉइंट. These are the types of joint. Now let's read ball and socket joints. तो ball and socket joints क्या होते हैं? अब ball नाम आ रहा है, ठीक है, ball भी है, socket भी है. Socket means attached, ठीक है. So let's see this figure. You have to do this activity, ठीक है. If you want to do, so do this activity at your home. You have to take a paper. देखो ये paper लिया है and roll it in the form of cylinder. Roll it into the cylinder shape. ठीक है, आप इसे सिलेंडर शेप में रोल कर दो और ये आपकी बॉल है, ठीक है, ये बॉल है. बॉल को यहाँ से कट कर दो. ये पार्ट आपने कट करके निकाल दिया तो आपको बॉल का पार्ट क्या बचा? ये बचा. अब यहाँ पे आपने जो पेपर रोल किया है, जस्ट फिक्स द पेपर इनटू दिस बॉल. आप इसमें फिक्स कर दो. एंड नाउ प्लेस द बॉल एंड पेपर इन एनी बाउल. आप इस बाउल में रख दो. एंड आप क्या लिखोगे? आप इस पेपर को, ये आपका पेपर, ये क्या है? दिस इज योर आर्म, ठीक है, और ये आपका शोल्डर है, दैट इज जॉइंट टू योर बॉडी. आपके यहाँ पे जॉइंट हुआ है, ठीक है. अब देखो आपका हाथ रोटेट करता है, ठीक है. यू कैन रोटेट योर हैंड इन ऑल डायरेक्शंस. यू कैन रोटेट योर हैंड इन ऑल डायरेक्शन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस जॉइंट, ठीक है. ये बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट है. दिस इज अटैच्ड टू योर शोल्डर, दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन रोटेट योर हैंड इन ऑल डायरेक्शन. आप सारे डायरेक्शन में, मतलब लेफ्ट राइट अप डाउन, किसी भी डायरेक्शन में आप हैंड को अपने मूव कर सकते हो. इज इट क्लियर? सो ये आपके जॉइंट होते हैं, ठीक है. Such a joint allows movement in all direction. अब देखो ये ऐसी joint है which allows movement in all direction. You can rotate your hand in all direction. Such as swimmer. Swimmer can swim by rotating his hand in all direction. Do you see how swimmer swims?
Yes, ma'am.
अपने swimmer देखा होगा जब swimming करते हैं तो उसमें क्या होता है? Hands आपके rotate करते हैं direction में, ठीक है. फॉरवर्ड बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव करते हैं. सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ जॉइंट इज प्रेजेंट इन योर व्हिच कनेक्ट शोल्डर टू आर्म? दैट इज बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट. ओके, इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
See this figure, ball and socket joint. This one is a ball and socket joint. ये आपका joint है, ठीक है. ये आपका joint है, ये आपको join कर रहा है two bones, ये इधर वाली bones को भी और इधर वाली bones को भी, ठीक है. So we know that the place where two or more bones join together are called joints, ठीक है. जहाँ पे दो bones, यहाँ पे देखो एक ये bones है, see, hip bone और ये thigh bone. Two bones join to each other and this place is called ball and socket joint. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to pivotal joint. ठीक है. Pivotal joint क्या होता है? The joint where our necks join the head is a pivotal joint. Now see figure 8.4. अब 8.4 में देखो that our neck is joined to the head. ठीक है. It's a skull, you know, it's a skull, ठीक है. And this one, ये आपका neck portion है. So this neck joined to the head and there is a joint that is pivotal joint. Is it clear? Our neck joined to our head and the joined to our head and that part where neck and head and skull joined to each other are called pivotal joint. ठीक है, आप करके देख सकते हो, ठीक है. You can understand this chapter by observing your body parts, ठीक है. Then means shoulder, ठीक है. Shoulder है, so shoulder is connected to arms and you can rotate your hand. You can rotate your hands in all direction. Means which type of joint is present? Ball and socket joints are present, ठीक है. Now neck is joined to head, skull, ठीक है. neck आपका head से joint है. So which type of joint is present here? Pivotal joint is present.
Pivotal joint.
Is it clear? And you know we can. Yes, good. Okay. So it allows. अब we know ball and socket joint allows movement in all direction. आप हर डायरेक्शन में मतलब अपने हैंड को लेफ्ट राइट फॉरवर्ड बैकवर्ड हर डायरेक्शन में मूव कर सकते थे बॉल एंड सॉकेट में. But what about bifocal joint? It allows us to bend our head forward and backward and turn the head to our right or left. अब आप इससे क्या कर सकते हो? We can bend our head forward आगे की तरफ and backward पीछे की तरफ and we can turn the head to our right and left. We can see right and we can see left. ठीक है? By moving our head. No, we cannot see backward. आप क्या कर सकते हैं? अपने हेड को ऊपर देख सकते हो. ठीक है? ऐसे ऊपर देख सकते हो, नीचे देख सकते हो, up and down. ठीक है? And right and left. Yes. ठीक है? Now, अब आपको you know that pivotal joint allows us to bend our head forward, backward, turn and right to left, right or left. ठीक है? So, how are these movements different from those of our arm that can rotate a complete circle in its ball and socket joint? Now you have to compare both type of joint. Means you have to compare pivotal joint and ball and socket joint. In ball and socket joint we can rotate our arms in all direction, but in pivotal we cannot rotate in all direction. We cannot see backward. ठीक है? We cannot rotate our head to in back direction, in back direction. ठीक है? Back में हम नहीं अपने turn कर सकते, head को rotate नहीं कर सकते. So why? Because in a pivotal joint a cylindrical bones rotate in a ring. ठीक है? हम left right forward backward ही bend कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? Because in a pivotal joint a cylindrical bones rotates in a ring. अब यहाँ पे एक cylindrical bones होगी, वो क्या करती है? एक ring में rotate करती है. ठीक है? जिसकी वजह से we can see left, we can see right. ठीक है? We can bend our head forward, we can bend our head backward, but we cannot rotate it. हम इतना पूरा गोल घुमा के आगे पीछे जैसे हैंड हमारा रोटेट करता है हर डायरेक्शन में वैसे नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है? इज इट क्लियर? नाउ कम टू द थर्ड टाइप ऑफ जॉइंट. Third type of joint is joint. So you have to observe a door. You have to observe a door. ठीक है? Observe the hinges of the door. Hinges means क्या होता है बेटा? जहाँ से आपका door attach होता है wall से. If you see wall से भी आपके ऐसे wooden color का structure होता है rectangle में. Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So doors are joined to that structure, that rectangle structure, wooden parts. ठीक है? Rectangle जो parts होते हैं जो wall से join होते हैं उसमें ना hinges लगे होते हैं. Hinges means आपके door को attach करते हैं, जो attachment area होती है. Means they allow the door to move back and forth. ठीक है? आप door को क्या कर सकते हो? बाहर की तरफ खोल सकते हो या फिर अंदर की तरफ बंद कर सकते हो. ठीक है? मूवमेंट तो होगा उसमें. ठीक है? अगर आप अंदर रूम में खड़े हो तो आप you can allow the door to move back. ठीक है? And फिर उसको वापस उस जगह पे रख देंगे. We can allow the door to move back and forth. So there are three types of joint. ठीक है? There are four types of joint. First one is ball and socket joint. Second one is pivotal joint. And third one is hinge joint. And fourth one is fixed joint. ठीक है? Hinge joint. You see, can you see? You can see in figure 8.6. See figure 8.6. Hinge joint of the knee. ठीक है? When two or more join to each other, that point is called joint. ठीक है? ये आपका joint हो गया. ठीक है? And we know knee, elbow. ठीक है? These are the parts of joint. ये आपके joint के part. Means we can. So देखो elbow has a hinge joint that allows area back and forth movement. We can allow our elbow. देखो अब elbow आपका ये है, इसमें hinge joint present है. ठीक है? Which allows only a back and forth like this. ठीक है, we can bend like this. We cannot bend in backward direction. Is it possible? Can we bend our arms in backward direction?
No, ma'am.
So this type of which type of joint is present in our elbow, in our arm? Hinge joint. ठीक है, it allows only a back and forward movement. आप यहाँ वापस ना बैक कर सकते हो, फिर इसको वापस स्ट्रेट में ला सकते हो, ऐसे कर सकते हो. We cannot allow only we cannot bend in a backward direction. Okay.
Hinges of the door club.
Yes.
What is hinges of the door?
Hinges बेटा the area hinges क्या होते हैं? Means the place where doors and walls are attached. ऐसे
Ma'am, that what is that rectangle thing which is a stopper?
Yes.
You want a shape of. It's a model shape of that stopper. But ma'am is saying that the cylindrical type where the doors rotate, move from in the wall.
Yes. जो आपके डोर से अटैच होते हैं वॉल से ना बेटा, डोर से अटैच होते हैं वॉल से, वही आपका हिंज कहलाता है. Which allows movement in doors. If you see
And
doors,
socket for the man.
yes.
And socket.
Socket means the where two bones join to each other. तो socket कहते हैं. The shoulder is joined to arms.
Ma'am.
Okay. So fixed joint. Now come to the fourth joint, that is fixed joint. Some joint between bones in our head. If you say skull, okay. So some joint between the bones in our head are different from those we discussed so far. अब आपने discuss किया कि देखो, you see in ball and socket joint, there it allows movement. ठीक है. We can rotate our hand in all direction. In pivotal joint, we can bend our neck forward, backward, and we can see to left or right. ठीक है. In hinge joint, we can see our hinge joint allows only a back and forth movement. ठीक है. Now comes to the fixed joint. So fixed joint, according to the name, the joint which are fixed, which cannot move, such joints are called fixed joint. Is it clear? So देखो, see, there is a joint between upper jaw and rest of the head, which is a fixed joint. Now you can see, observe, see, ये आपका head है, ठीक है? This is your head, and this part is a movable part, mobile या movable part बोलते हैं, ठीक है? We can move this part, lower jaw. This one is lower jaw, और ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा? Upper jaw. Upper teeth को जहाँ आपके upper teeth, where upper teeth is present, is called upper jaw, and the lower teeth is called lower jaw. ठीक है? We can move lower jaw, but we cannot move upper jaw. Is it possible to move upper jaw? ऊपर के दांत वाले जो पार्ट है उसको आप मूव कर सकते हो?
No, ma'am.
No. So it means and this upper jaw is fixed to our skull. Yes. So upper jaw is fixed to our head. Upper jaw आपके head से fixed है, but this part is movable part. ठीक है? So we can say that this upper jaw is a fixed joint. Is it clear? There is a joint between upper jaw and rest of the head, which is a fixed joint. So joint बहुत सी होंगी upper jaw में, और बाकी जो head के part है उसमें joint होगी. So it's a fixed joint. ठीक है? And the lower jaw is not. It's not a fixed joint. Is it clear? It's a movable part. ठीक है? Fixed means which are stable, which are fixed at one position. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, see, this framework is called skeleton. The human skeleton, figure 8.7. Okay? Now see this. The human skeleton fact. Learn this fact. 305 bones. Is it so? आपके पास क्या होंगे 305 बोन जब बर्थ होता है, ठीक है, जब इन्फेंसी टाइप इन्फेंट होते हैं, इन्फेंट चाइल्ड की. नाउ द नंबर ऑफ बोन्स इन द स्केलेटन चेंजेस विद एज. जैसे जैसे एज बदलती है, द नंबर ऑफ बोन्स आर आल्सो चेंज. सो इट डिक्रीजेस टू 206 बोन्स by adulthood after some bones have fused together. So when we are 1 month old or 2 days, 3 days old child, so we have 305 bones, but when we grow, then it decreases to 206 bones because some bones are fused together. ठीक है, अब कुछ bones जो होंगी, देखो छोटी छोटी bones होंगी, तो उसमें कितनी हो जाएंगी उस इन्फेंसी में, इन्फेंट में 305 bones हो जाएगी. बट जैसे जैसे उसकी एज बढ़ेगी, so bones are fused together. ठीक है, now it decreases from 305 to 206 bones. So we can say in adults there are 206 bones present. Is it clear?
How the number of bone decreases?
Small bones fuse together. Small bones, suppose small bones ये है, small bones ये है, small bones ये है, they fuse together and form a single bone. Yes.
Ma'am, you told that there is a joint in between.
They don't move.
Yes. Upper jaw is a fixed joint. Upper jaw is attached to the skull, and that is a fixed joint. But lower jaw is movable part. Means some bones are present, some joints are present. So that joint is hinge joint. Hinge joints are present in the lower jaw. That allows only a back end for movement. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you know what is fixed joint? Means a joint is doesn't allow any more type of movement. Okay, it doesn't allow bones to move. Okay, now see this framework, this structure, human skeleton. You can see skull, rib cage, hands, arms है, elbow. ठीक है, ये आपका fingers, thigh, ये leg और ये आपका foot. ठीक है, so this type of structure we can see better by see this. One way we could know this shape better would be to look at X-ray images. By doing X-ray, we get this type of image of human. Okay, so X-ray से हमें क्या पता चलता है? We can get idea about the shape and number of bones in some parts of our body. ठीक है, by doing X-ray we can also detect what type of we can also detect fractured bones. Is it so? We can also see joint, ankle joint and knee joint by doing X-ray. ठीक है, X-ray से हमें कई सारी चीजें पता चलती है. Fractured bones.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, similarly feel the bones of ankle and knee joint and compare it with X-ray images. अभी देखो see X-ray images. ठीक है, and now you can feel the bones of your ankle and knee joint. अब आप ankle और knee joint को feel करो hand से and see this figure 8.8. You can observe whether these bones are present or not.
Ma'am, how the doctor know that this bone is fractured?
By doing X-ray beta, by seeing X-ray images.
If the bone is fractured, then the bone could be broken, and that's why the doctor can see.
Yes.
It also sees that the hand is the shape of the hand
है. So we can detect whether our bone is fractured, whether our bone got injury, etc. ठीक है. So now you can feel the bones in your upper arm, lower arm, leg. ठीक है. अब आप उसको टच करके बता सकते हैं how many bones are present in our hand. ठीक है. In our hand how many bones are present. If you can touch your hand, arm, ठीक है, arm touch करोगे तो एक bones ये आपको दिखेगी upper arm पे, एक ही lower arms पे. This one is
Three bones.
yeah, this what type of joint is present here? What type of joint is present here? What type of hinge joint? Yes, good. ठीक है. And now you see fingers. In our fingers bones are present. So you can see. Okay. So what type of bones is present here? कौन सी जो bones present होगी that joint neck to head? Yes. Good. And here, what type of joint is present here in between the neck? Yes, very good. ठीक है. And upper jaw attached to skull. What type of joint is present? It's fixed joint. Okay. Very good. Very good, all of you. Write your homework. Write your homework.
Please homework करा दीजिए.
Yes, beta.
Maybe that is present in our angle.
Extra questions. First,
This joint is present in our ankle.
what are joints? ठीक है. Second, what are the different types of joint?
मैम पहले एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन लिखना होता है कि मैम पहले हमें कीवर्ड लिख के फिर एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन लिखना होता है.
बेटा you can write keyword also. Keyword भी लिख के रख सकते हो या फिर extra question लिख सकते हो. And third one, write fact. Wait, what are joints? See. What are joints? And second one, what are the different types of joint? And third one, write facts, which is given on page number.
And third one is right side.